How to measure solids in your septic tank before it's too late. A septic system works quietly beneath the ground, but hidden inside, septic tank solids can cause serious problems if ignored. Over time, solids build up, leading to clogs, backups, and expensive repairs. Knowing how to measure these solids helps you act before trouble begins. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Why monitoring solids matters. If solids rise too high, they can block the outlet, overflow into the drain field, or push untreated waste back into your home. Regular checks give you early warning and ensure your system keeps working efficiently. Methods to measure solids in your septic tank. 1. Sludge stick. A long stick with a cloth or tube at the end is lowered into the tank to check sludge depth. It's simple and affordable. 2. Clear sampling tube. A transparent tube shows the layers of scum, liquid, and sludge, giving a quick picture of what's happening inside. 3. Electronic sensors. Some modern tools provide continuous readings of sludge and scum levels. Though more costly, they reduce guesswork. 4. Professional inspection. Septic experts use specialized tools to measure solids accurately and recommend when pumping is needed. Key indicators of urgency. 1. Sludge depth over 1/3 of tank. At this point, pumping should not be delayed. 2. Scum layer near outlet. If floating waste gets too close to the exit pipe, the system is at risk of clogging. 3. Warning signs in the home. Slow drains, odors, or gurgling sounds often mean septic tank solids are too high. Measuring septic tank solids is a simple but vital step to prevent costly failures. Whether using a sludge stick, clear tube, or calling a professional, checking solids ensures your system stays healthy. Regular monitoring protects your home, your wallet, and the environment, before it's too late. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.